Once upon a time, it became very popular to teach online coaches and online business owners to use story to elevate their message and get more clients. I know you've heard this type of thing before. It's kind of funny that stories are as old as people are, and yet it seems to be this trending thing to go, you need to tell your story, you need to put your story out there. However, I have found that there's a major mistake that a lot of people are making when it comes to story. And it goes along with the fact that, unfortunately, a lot of people in your audience, well, they're looking for more reasons to not buy from you than they're looking for reasons to buy from you. The mistake is something that happens whether it's your own personal story or maybe you're telling the story of a client success, a client win. It's so easy for someone to hear this one specific story. For example, a client that I worked with who was terrified of putting out video online. And as I told the story, I made sure I hit the before and the after and positioned my service as a large part of how he created that win. And yet, think about the potential audience that could have been out there who could now be going, but my issue isn't confidence on camera. I don't know how to make my message persuasive. Well, in this case, I need to take this man's story and I need to generalize it out. I need to create what I call alignment. So the story is now about everybody in the audience. Because do you know that situation where you have this feeling that you can absolutely change people's lives and yet you just can't find the right words to inspire people to consistently take action? Well, rewind back that video, I just used the strategy. It's to then pull out of the story and, theatrically speaking, break the fourth wall and make the story about your entire audience.